Are you looking for a smartphone that can fulfill all your needs within the 15K price bracket? Here is a look at 5 such devices that you can purchase right now. So let's jump right in. Smartphones in this video don't just cover the basics, it also offers features like fingerprint sensor, gaming processors, displays with high refresh rate, multi-camera setup and much more. The pricing of the phone will be somewhere around 10 to 15K. No more, no less. The links for purchasing the phone will be in the description. Watch the video till the end as some of the phones will come with unique features which I'll be mentioning in the video. The Realme Narzo 10 is purely meant for gaming. It features a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display with a screen resolution of 720 x 1600 pixels. This phone is the only phone in this list featuring a water drop style launch. The display comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 for protection. The Realme Narzo 10 comes equipped with India's first ever gaming processor, the MediaTek Helio G80, along with Mali G52 GPU. The MediaTek Helio G80 is ideal for everyday mobile gamers. It offers smoother performance in heavy loading game engines, demanding scenes and intense gameplay. There are no variants, so you can only get this phone with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage in India. Coming to the cameras, Narzo 10 gets a quad camera setup with a 48MP primary camera. Supporting the primary camera is an 8MP ultra wide angle lens and two similar 2MP lenses for depth sensing. The fingerprint sensor is rear mounted, which is quite usual in the budget segment. The phone has a standby time of 940 hours thanks to the large 5000 mAh battery which it packs in. Along with the massive battery capacity, Realme offers 18W fast charging support. The phone charges from 0 to 100 in just under 3 hours, which I think is pretty slow. The base variant with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage is priced at around ₹12,000, available in white, green and blue colors. Considering the price tag and the configuration it offers, it is by far one of the best gaming smartphones available in India. The Vivo Z1 Pro is the official smartphone for PUBG Mobile Club Open Championship, and as such, it comes with some well-designed features specifically made for playing PUBG Mobile. Vivo Z1 Pro has a 6.53-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 x 2340 pixels. On the front, the phone has a punch-hole display for housing the selfie shooter. Vivo ships the Z1 Pro with a screen protector attached, and this highlights the camera hole with an extra ring around it. The Z1 Pro is also quite powerful under the hood, featuring the Snapdragon 712 chipset along with Adreno 616 GPU. The phone includes a special training center, 4D vibrations, voice changer, and some more features to make the smartphone more gaming oriented. The phone has two variants, 4GB of RAM with 64GB of storage or 6GB of RAM with 128GB of storage. The fingerprint sensor is rear mounted like in the Realme Narzo 10. As on the camera aspect, the device has a triple camera setup at the rear, having a 16MP primary wide-angle lens, 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2MP for depth sensing. There is also a 32MP sensor at the front. Both the camera setups are capable of capturing excellent images and amazing videos. The Vivo Z1 Pro is powered by a 5000 mAh battery, which offers plenty of power for some heavy-duty gaming. It is equipped with fast charging support to help refill the battery at a decent rate. The phone charges up fully under 2 hours, which is pretty normal for a budget-oriented device. The base variant of the Vivo Z1 Pro is priced at ₹14,800, offered in 3 different colors: Sonic Black, Sonic Blue and Mirror Black. I recommend the Vivo Z1 Pro only if you are serious about PUBG Mobile. The Realme 6 is a budget smartphone from Realme and is a toned up version of the Realme 6i. The Realme 6 sports a 6.5-inch LCD display with a punch-hole design to accommodate the selfie camera. The phone has Gorilla Glass 3 for its protection along with 90Hz refresh rate. Powering the Realme 6 is a MediaTek Helio G90 SoC, which is paired up with Mali G76 GPU. MediaTek's Hyper-Engine game technology helps you get faster and smooth action in your favorite games through intelligent networking, rapid touchscreens and intense visual to ensure that your smartphone always keeps up with you. Both the Realme and the Realme 6i comes with 4 or 6GB of RAM, and the storage space remains the same at 64GB for both the phones. The fingerprint sensor is integrated onto the power button, whereas the left side of the phone backs up the SIM tray and the volume rockers. The Realme 6 has a quad camera setup at the back with a 64MP primary camera, an 8MP ultra wide angle lens, and a 2MP macro lens and a 2MP depth sensor. It also has a 16MP camera for selfies and video calls. The Realme 6 packs in a 4300 mAh battery, which offers all-day battery life. It is also coupled with a 30W charger for fast charging. It can charge up the phone up to 40% in just 15 minutes. This 4GB of RAM and 64GB internal storage base variant of the Realme 6 is priced at ₹15,000, available in 2 different colors, Comet Blue and Comet White. By the way, if you guys have not subscribed to the channel yet, take a moment to destroy the subscribe button to get updated with the latest tech leaks and rumors. Launched earlier this year, Redmi 9 Pro is a mini gaming beast. It has a 6.67-inch LCD screen with a refresh rate of 60Hz and a hole punch camera at the top. The phone has Gorilla Glass 5 at both sides for the phone's protection. The processor which this phone runs on is Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, which is quite a powerful chipset for the price range. You have a choice between two variants, one with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, and the other with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Fingerprint sensor is side mounted, and the upcoming phones in this list will feature the same. The optics of the Redmi Note 9 Pro will come with a 48MP primary sensor. There is also an 8MP ultra wide angle camera, a 5MP macro camera, and a 2MP depth sensor. On the front, you get a 16MP selfie camera. A 5020 mAh battery seems to be powering things in, especially with features like fast charging. The phone takes couple of hours to charge up after a full battery drain. The lowest variant with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage is priced at around Rs 15,000. Available in 3 colors: Aurora Blue, Glacier White and Black. At the top of the list, we have the ruler of the budget segment, the Poco M2 Pro. The Poco M2 Pro has an attractive design and is well built, but it also looks very similar to the Redmi Note 9 Pro. It has a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with a punch-hole design to house the selfie camera. The phone lacks a high refresh rate which other phones in this budget offer. The phone is made up of Gorilla Glass to ensure secure protection. This phone is also powered by Snapdragon 720G and offers 4GB of RAM with 64GB storage under Rs 15,000. Poco M2 has 4 rear cameras, which include a primary 48MP sensor, an 8MP sensor with wide-angle lens, and a 5MP macro camera, and a 2MP depth sensor. You get a 16MP hole punch selfie camera. It has a massive battery capacity of 5000 mAh, which supports 33W fast charging. The phone charges up to 50% in just 30 minutes. So technically, your phone can get fully charged up in just 1 hour. Poco M2 Pro base variant comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, priced at Rs 13,999, whereas the 6GB of RAM with 64GB storage is priced at Rs 15,000. The Poco M2 Pro comes in 3 color variants, black, blue and green. The Poco M2 Pro is a mix of Redmi Note 9 Pro and the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, so it is a hybrid device offering maximum performance. You can buy this phone if you are looking for a device which can work as a gaming smartphone and can double up as a camera-centric device. With that being said, we have reached the end of today's video. If you have any suggestions, feel free to drop it in the comment section. And guys, if you want to see more phone related videos like these, then smash that subscribe button below this video. Until we meet again, this is Hari from Let's Review signing off. Stay tuned, stay safe. But that's alright. Hush.